Alright, I got a crappy little lavalier microphone kit off of eBay for $6. It also comes with this little transmitter and receiver thing, and it operates off of low-end FM transmission and receiving. I've been told that it actually doesn't sound all that great when trying to use the wireless kit, but realistically, I could just go ahead and run it out to my H6 recorder here, like I'm doing right now. I've got the camcorder monitoring the output, but realistically that only gives me about 4 feet of range, although I could just record separately to the audio recorder and then try to sync it up in post-production if I can synchronize the time codes. So that's a thing. Also, getting the levels on the Zoom recorder to match the levels on the camcorder is a little bit interesting. And getting the microphone mounted properly here, that's, well, I never said I was a professional. So, that's what this sounds like, at least when it's been processed by the recorder, outputted to the camcorder, and then processed by the camcorder. So that's a thing.